This is Karcher's DE4002 steam cleaner for professional use. The machine provides thorough, deep and hygienic cleaning without the use of chemicals by producing steam up to 150 degrees Celsius. It offers incredible practicality and productivity as it can be refilled at any time and therefore used continuously. The machine is very simple to use and heats up very quickly. It's available with either 240 volt or 110 volt power supply. All controls on the machine are highlighted in yellow and include the vapor hydro function, which switches from steam to hot water to flush away the dirt removed by the steam. The controls on the handle ensure adjustments can be made instantly. A range of accessories are included as standard, including detail nozzles, microfiber cloths, and a floor tool. This makes the machine exceptionally versatile and can even be used to clean upholstery. All accessories can be stored in the basket on the optional trolley for easy access, and the trolley makes transportation very easy. The DE4002 from Karcher: practical, versatile and hygienic.